Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The first pattern that we covered was Nasara. Na-sa-ra, which we call Maftuhul Ain. Ain meaning the Ain kalima. So because it's got a fatha, it's known as Nasara. Okay. The sigha is Wahid, Mudhakkar, Ghaib. And this is Madi Ma'ruf. Madi Ma'ruf, the past active. So Nasara is Madi Ma'ruf and known as the past active. Past active means that you know who the doer of the verb is. So Nasara would mean that one man helped. Okay, so that's active tense and it's in the past. That we know that it was one man because it's Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib means that the doer was a Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib. Okay, the next pattern we did was Sami'a. Sami'a. Now this is Maksurul Ain. Maksurul Ain. It's exactly the same. Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib. Madi Ma'ruf also. It's Madi Ma'ruf also. And it means that one man heard. After that, we went on to the Garuma pattern. Garuma. And again, this is the Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib because you start off. And it's Madmumul Ain because the Ain kalima, anything that lines up with the Fa, Ain, Lam, the Ain kalima has got Dhamma. The Kaf is the Fa kalima, the Ra is the Ain kalima, and the Mim is the Lam kalima. Garuma. And this again is the same. It's Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib. It's also Madi Ma'ruf, but it's past active Garuma. And in translation, that one man again, because it's Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib, that one man was noble. Okay, that one man did the work of being noble. And then the next thing is we went on to the Majhul pattern, the Fu'ila pattern. The Fu'ila is again Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib, but this time Fu'ila, this is the pattern. It's still Madi, it's still past. So Madi. Majhul though. Majhul. Okay. Which means the past passive. So past passive. Madi Majhul. What that means is that a work is done. The work is done, but we don't know who did it. We know who it was done upon. So Fu'ila, we know that the work was done upon a Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib. In the first three, all three, these patterns are all the patterns of Madi Ma'ruf, active. Fu'ila, is the pattern of the passive, the Majhul. Meaning that a work was done on the Wahid Mudhakkar Ghaib, but we don't know who did it. We just know who it was done upon. So literally this would mean that one man was done. And when we say man, we mean a object, a masculine object, and that can be something that you can see, it can be something that you can touch, or something that you don't. You know, the job was done, and so forth. So, nusira, 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 again is wahid muzakkar ghaib. Wahid muzakkar ghaib, madi majhul, and is past, passive. And it would mean that one man was, because nasara means to help, so that one man here helped, and that one man was helped. See, we know a wahid muzakkar ghaib, the work is done upon, but we don't know who did it. Okay, so that one man was helped. The same thing with sumi'a. Again, sumi'a. Okay, so it's the fu'ila pattern. Sumi'a is the same thing. Again, wahid muzakkar ghaib, the whole thing. And this time the translation is that one man was heard. Here, sami'a, that one man heard, and here that one man was heard. So the work was done on a wahid muzakkar ghaib, but we don't know who did that. So fu'ila is the pattern, the majhul pattern. Okay, don't mistake it and mix it up with garuma. Yeah, this is fu'ila, the dhamma there. And just because it starts with a dhamma, it doesn't always mean that it will be majhul. Okay, you have to watch out for the patterns. Then the next thing we talked about was that in front of all of these, yes, the nasara, the fu'ila pattern, if we put the word ma in front, everything stays exactly the same, but we put the word didn't, because it makes it into a nafi. So, for example, if we take ma, if we say ma nasara now, that's still wahid muzakkar ghaib, and this, rather than being a madi ma'ruf, it becomes a nafi ma'ruf. Nafi ma'ruf. Nafi, madi ma'ruf. A past, a negative past active. Okay, so we put ma here again, and ma, same thing here, ma. So now it all becomes negative. They all become past negative. This active also becomes negative. And the meaning will become that one man did not help. That one man, ma sami'a will be that one man, did not hear. That one man was not noble. And in the majhul, the same thing. That one man was not helped. That one man was not heard. That one man was not done. Okay, so in the English you have to slightly tweak the translation, but in Arabic it's all the same. That all of these now become nafis. Okay, nafi. Okay, nafi mazi ma'ruf, nafi madi ma'ruf, nafi madi majhul. So majhul just means when an action has taken place, but we don't know who has done that action. So I'll have a few examples. So rajamu, rajama means to stone. So rajamu, rajama, rajama, rajamu is a jama mudhakkar ghaib, plural, masculine, third person. Madi ma'ruf, the past active, so means to stone. So all those men stoned, threw rocks. But rujimu, rujima, rujima, rujimu, the majhul pattern, it's still jama muzakkar ghaib, and it's all those men were stoned. So a plural masculine, somebody else did the work of stoning upon them. All those men stoned is the past active, and the majhul, all those men were stoned. In the next example, qabiltum, it means to accept. So this is plural, feminine, second person, hadir, qabiltum. And it's madi ma'ruf, qabila, qabila, from samia, qabila, qabila. And qubiltum, look, fu'iltum, it's the same pattern. So jama mu'annath hadir, this is madi ma'ruf, this is madi majhul. One is past active, the other one past passive. So this one means all you women accepted. And in the majhul, it's exactly the same. All you women were accepted. The work is done upon you. Okay? Qubiltum, all you women were accepted. So here, qabiltum, it's plural, feminine, and you're addressing them. Hadir, you speak second person. So you did the work, and in the second example, qubiltum, the work was done upon you. The work was done upon jama muannas hazir. See, in the first one, in the madi ma'ruf, it means that the work was done by the jama muannas hadir, and in the majhul, it means that the work is done upon the jama muannas hadir. Okay. And the next thing was we told you to add qad to it. So, and qad and kana. Okay. So exactly, we take the same things again, and you apply kana to it, and all kana does is it gives it the meaning of helping in the distant, or the work was done in the distant past. So, for example, inshallah, kana and the mudari will be in the next clip. Inshallah.